Hey there, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Monday morning? New week started. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. Good morning, Wiki and Kim. Hey there. All right. What is going on? Let's start off. How are we doing with the accounts? Is this a... All right. That's better. I have changed everything to the September contract. So just saying, I'm trading on the September contract. Some volume popping right now. Yes. Yeah, we have some volume here. So let's try. Let's check for some levels. Let's look at some higher time. On the high time frames, there's not much to do. Obviously, we are at all-time highs right here. So I guess everybody's looking for some kind of a sell-off or a healthy pullback, which I'm not sure if it's going to happen. But this is interesting. We have relative equal lows from Friday. That's kind of interesting down there. On the September contract, it's at 762. I had a sell from the 5-minute resistance. Okay. Small profit. No, you're not. It's not. No, you're not. Never say you're a dumbass. You made a small profit. That's a profit. Even a break even. Even if you exit with break even, that still counts as a winner because you went into the market, you were protecting the capital, your capital, and you exited the market without losing. So even a winning trade, a break-even trade is a winning trade. I always take a break-even as a winner. Or in this case, you had a small profit. Okay. Oh, this is not what I wanted. I'm going to put this here to 30 as a probable sell side liquidity. Is to be critical in hindsight if it goes the way you want it. Yeah, you called the direction, you entered, but you were right. That's all that matters. I'm checking the 5-minute to see if this one wants to go for the Sunday open. And let's check if we have an order block here. This would be technically an order block from Friday. From about the closing of the session. Right before 4 p.m. This would be an order block, in my opinion. So let's see how this goes. Let's see. This one should be taking out this level at 9:30. There's a very high chance for it, in my opinion. And this is the 15-minute. Now, if we go to the 5-minute, I do like this displacement. If this candle closes below this previous swing at 105, we might just have a chance for this one to fall a little bit more, but still not sure. Okay, new candle started. Let's see. What else do we have? We have ES. Also at all-time high. I do believe, by the way, that we're gonna take out the 20K up there at Nasdaq. So before you say anything about the shorts, I do believe that the 20K level is going to get taken out. That's like 1000% sure. The question is, are we going to have some kind of a pullback before that or not? So don't forget it. We're very close. Technically, like how far? A little bit more than 50 points away. That is very, very, very close. If we see a reversal, maybe I would even take it on the 1 minute, because I would be very tempted to make history with the 20K level here. We have some orders laying, and we're at 936. Oh yeah. Yeah, 20K is like I put it here. I put it here. Let me put it to there. Inevitable. 20K is inevitable, technically. So this is what I'm saying. So let's see how this goes. It's coming. The only reason, if not, yeah, and they can do that very easily. That's why I'm saying if there's some good levels down there for this one to pull back to, then I would say we have a good chance. Now I'm not going to keep Thanos over there because he's just going to disturb us right there. But yeah, 20K is inevitable. Well, let's check the 15-minute. Let me delete Thanos because we don't want to see him. Camille, hey there. We hit 20K and crash. I think so too. I think we're gonna hit the 20K. Maybe we're gonna go a little bit sideways at 20K. And I would also like to see a huge crash at 20K. I mean, maybe it's not gonna be like a crash, but at least a very healthy pullback, which can mean like even 400 or 500 points in a day, or maybe in a session, who knows. Huge sell-off, and just to correct, you know, as a healthy correction. For now, no fair value gaps on the 1 hour, no targets. The only thing I could see is down at 760. And we have no news in this London session, so it's hard to say. Alicia, hey there, good morning. 936 orders activated. All right, let's see what they do. You're back to the States. Nice. That's it, Alicia. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I don't know. We are going to wait. That's the beauty. That's all we do, is just wait. That's all we are doing. It's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game. All right. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Oh, totally forgot to fire up my Discord this morning. Also, don't forget, we still have some sales going on as usual, Buleanox has the cheapest upfront cost today, but also some good sales going on with some of the other prop firms. Go check out the links if you would like to trade with them. All right. All right. Also, please help out the stream if you can. It's free to do. Push the like button and subscribe. I'm super happy we got over 2,300 subscribers last week. That is super awesome. So let's go for 2,400 and sooner or later 3K, guys. So push the like, subscribe. Let's push it. All right. This one, I still would like to see to break the 930, and then we will decide what to do. JR, good morning. Hey. Good morning. It should be like a very peaceful Monday. No news, no nothing. Let's see how this goes. Also on ES, well, hard to say. What a rally, by the way. What a rally. What a rally. I mean, whatever you do, these markets are just go higher. Spy girl, hey. I had a great weekend. I hope you did too. Everything was awesome. How is the weather in Thailand? I hope you were on the beach, enjoying the weather and the beautiful view. Let's look at this. We have a fair value gap on the 5-minute. It's a little interesting. Oh, let me. So now, hey there. Good morning. Good to see you now. So we have a fair value gap on the 5-minute. 53. I mean, this one can be all right. Let's check it out. Should we take it as a probe trade? Or should I take it as a probe trade? Optimal trade entry would be somewhere around midnight level, which would be, for example, like somewhere here. And risk to reward, still not that bad. It can be good for a 1.5-ish. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. I think I can take this on an Apex account. Do I have an Apex account? Not this one. Yeah, maybe this one. I might take it on an Apex account. Let's see. 52. No. The other Apex account. 50. My entry would be at 52.25. All right. I put a sell limit at 52.25. Let me check it again. 52.25 sell limit. Stop loss is gonna be at 67.25-ish. It's risky, super risky, but I have an entry right there at 52. It's kind of rainy. All right. Oh yes, Spy Girl, she's like Huge traveler. She's traveling around the world. So let me show you guys what I have here. Which account is this? All right, so this is my entry. I have an evaluation account where I'm gonna put this trade, which is this one. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna target the Sunday low, or yeah, technically that's what I want to target. If I get tagged into this, if not, then on to the next one, right? Krabi. Kolanta. Ooh, wow. Sounds exotic. Sounds exotic there. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. That could be a beautiful place. It's more dry. Yeah, here is gloomy and rainy. Well, I can imagine that. Like, but you know, I can only imagine like it can rain and be super hot and dry at the same day, because that's how fast it can be changing. I'm guessing, of course. So Papa ERP Media, hey there. Good to see you. How are you this morning? Yes, I am taking the September contract. The Friday report, which was somewhere here, let me check it. It was here. Where is it? So here it is. This is the Friday report, so it's not the so I don't know what's currently happening, but as you can see, the volume is slowly but going over to the September contract. This was on Friday. I think these numbers are going to be much higher by tomorrow, so I'm guessing that today the volume is going to be much greater by the close. So I just decided to go with the new contract, and that's it. Jason Floyd, let's cheer for Jason. Welcome to the channel. Jason, how you doing this morning? And by the way, let me cheer for everybody, all right? There you go. Thanks for being here, guys, and everyone. Everyone gets a star. Yeah. So I just bought a new cologne. It smells very good. Everyone gets a cheer. 2024 after all. Yeah. Yeah, it is. So what just happened here? Nothing. All right. Didn't go into the gap yet. Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's on the CME group website. I'm gonna paste it here. Just a second. There you go. Sorry. There's the link. And it's updating. You're welcome. And it's updating once every day. So now we only see the Friday exchange. I mean the Friday rates, but you're 160 away from passing. Oh, I'm just reading that now. That is awesome. Now, come on. You can do that. You can do that. Just, go small steps. It's gonna be just fine. Go with micros. You're getting there. You're close. Amen and cheers. So I'm not tagged into this one. At least not yet. This is the 5-minute NQ. You will be. Yeah. Let's see. This is what we're waiting for. Let's all like this session, guys. Yeah. Oh, hold on. We are getting closer to be tagged. We are getting closer to be tagged here. Hopefully with a good trade. If not, well, it is what it is. Sorry, I did not have a good sleep this Sunday. I was having a great sleep on Saturday, also on Friday. But yesterday, not so much. Crypto, what's up? Why the long face there? Come on, crypto. What's this long face? What is happening? All right, I think I got tagged into this one. I don't know if I should be happy about this, but yeah. All right. So I'm in the trade. And 21, what's at 21? Oh, I don't even want to go to 21. Hold on. The low is at 30, so I'm gonna get out at 30.50. The risk to reward ratio is not good on this. It's 1.4 or something like that. I think it just wants to go higher. There was a liquidity sweep here. Displacement lower. What seems to be the problem? It should go down, right? Dark Cloud, good to see you. I never passed with Apex. I got a few, but working on them. So once you pass it, do they give you a payout at 50 and you start again? What? Oh, I don't understand. I mean, on the 25K, do they give you a PA with 50? You start again. No, they're gonna give a 25k account. They're gonna give a 25k account. Marcos, good morning. Good to see you, Marcos. How you doing? So it's gonna be a 25k PA account. Look at it. I don't like that this candle closed this high, just, you know, bursting through this gap. Now it became an inversion gap, so it's just gonna, you know, go higher now. Damn it, it is what it is. I'm risking like 130 bucks on this one, which is all right, but explain how Apex works once you pass the 50k and you have 53k. It's simple. You're gonna, if you pass the 50k valuation, you're gonna get another 50k PA account, and you just have to aim for the minimum payout threshold, which is $2,600. That's it. That's how simple it is. The trailing stop is gonna lock in at 25 or 2,600 as well. So that's how simple. You're gonna start all over from a 20k account. You just have to believe. Oh, the evaluation account, that's gonna be gone. Like, it's gonna be fugazi, like fairy tale, fairy dust. It's gonna go somewhere, you know, up there. Who knows where? It's gonna be vanished forever, ever. That's what's gonna happen with the 50k evaluation account. Unfortunately, it's not like, I mean, I think it's trade day that you can earn from day one. So you take the account on the evaluation account to the profit target, and you can start to take out your first 500 bucks. And the TP on the evaluation is, I think, 2,500, and you can take out your first 500 on your funded account, which means all you have to do is aim to make 3,000 bucks, and you can take out your first 500. So that's seems so easy. So, but otherwise, yes, you have to make another 2,600 at Apex. All right. I'm gonna fix a coffee, and I'll be right back. You're welcome, Spygirl. Please push the like button. I'll be right back in 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 5. I have to fix a coffee, and that's it. Be right back. All right. What's going on? Just for information, there's a huge selling block. Oh, oh, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah, whatever. I mean, yeah, as long as they are stacking up orders up there, it's not good because it's gonna gravitate. I mean, we know that 20K is inevitable, of course. We know that. I was just hoping for a quick short here. Seems like it's not gonna happen. So I might even consider to close this trade with some loss, but yeah. The 20K is up there. So let me delete this too. Yeah, look at that. We're going. I might going to close this. At this point, I think this is what's going to happen. $151 mini. Yeah. Well, let me check bookmap. Dang it, right? Dang it. Oh yeah. That's the issue. That's the issue. All right, I think I'm gonna have to consider to close this one. It's pretty obvious that it's gonna go higher. As soon as it got, I mean, it started trading. I mean, maybe, I don't think as the last line of defense, this small order block here, but I don't think that this is going to defend this position. I mean, this one right here. But anyway. Should be going higher. If it trades above that level. We'll see. I guess. Yeah, this was my usual morning probe trade because I like to start the day with a loss. But only on an evaluation account. So this one again is just an evaluation account. Just to feel what the market wants to do here. But yeah, I think so too. We have a very strong chance for this one to go higher. I was just hoping for a quick sell-off down to taking out the Sunday low. That's it. Wasn't hoping for anything special. At the VWAP as well. So everybody wants to go for 20K, don't forget it. Everybody wants this to go to 20K, obviously. And that's why it's a little bit tricky right now. The question is, do they want to sweep more liquidity by pushing it down below 930 before go to 20K? Or what they can also do, oh Jesus. My keyboard is falling apart. All right. Or they can do the same. They're going to sweep liquidity up here at 67, 69-ish, and then send it down to 930. Or third scenario, they're just going to send it straight up to 20K in the London session. Yeah, I think I should close it. Yeah, I closed it. Actually, I didn't have to. I think it was a stop loss. So I closed it. We're going higher. Let me select a different account to continue on. Oh, this is a funded account. What else? I have some failed evaluation accounts too. For example, this one. But I have this one. I'm gonna stay with this. All right. Look at this. But it was technically a valid entry. Now it just seems like there's no stopping price to go higher. Let's see if it closes above these highs on the 5-minute. It could be tricky because if we're not going to have an up close candle, then we could be coming back to the range. But I don't know. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 30 points away, guys. I'm tempted to jump into a long right now. Actually, as an aggressive position, to be honest. To be super aggressive. To make history, you know. Nas being Nas, yeah. I might jump in. Just to be in this trade for the sake of history, you know. How far can it go? All the way up to 20k, I guess. I jumped into a long. I don't know why. It's not a valid entry, so I broke my rule, but only on this evaluation account. I broke my own entry rule, but I don't care. I just want to see this one pop higher if it goes. So this is the trade with my crows. Trying to keep it to go for the 20k. So let's see. 3 more minutes. And by the way, even if this one repricing this level, we're going to have technically a breaker with an optimal trade entry at 51 if someone wants to take a long in this inversion gap. So we might go down there as well. Let's see. Well, pretty much a chill session. I mean, not much to do. Still almost a little bit more than 1 minute to close this 5-minute candle. This one could have been just a liquidity sweep. And is repricing the previous candle, which is not a huge problem, but I thought we're gonna see a gap. And there's just no gap. Now this could be a sweep as well. Oh no, it's gonna go down. Let's see the 15-minute. Yeah, it's gonna go lower. I mean, yeah, it can still go down to the 51 area. So I'm gonna draw down. I also modified my stop loss just to see how this behaves, but I think I'm gonna put it back. Might even close it. Damn it, what a session. All right, better. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Let's go. Guys, this is gonna be one of those typical Monday London sessions. A little bit boring. Not much to do. Only hope I have is maybe if the market opens up, we're gonna have some action. The dollar index dumped. Wow, let's check it. Oh yeah, it did. Interesting. Interesting. So let's see what's gonna happen. The problem for me is having conviction in a trade I enter that is being my that is bending my rules. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's a problem for me as well. Basically, I would have to be much more selective with my trades. I mean, On the evaluation accounts, I'm not selective, and it's actually not always that good, because if I keep jumping into much riskier trades on the evaluation accounts, that is actually building up bad habits. So I don't want to build up bad habits subconsciously. On the funded accounts, I would not take this trade, that's for sure. Especially not this early before the London Open, especially not on Monday. But since I'm very aggressive on the evaluation accounts, that gives me some confusion sometimes. So I think the best thing for me should be to, less trades, but maybe a little bit more risk if I really want to go with the evaluation accounts. If I want to stay aggressive, less trades, more risk, but I should be selective. Which are those trades that are as close as it gets to an A+ setup, or it has to be an A+ setup. So, yeah. And now I'm stuck here. Hopefully in 10 minutes we'll see something. I really hope. Well. NQ is turned off again. Oh, guys, this part of trading is like the one where, the one where I should be sleeping. but since we're here, this is the job. By the way, what's up with the news? I know there's no news, but there's gonna be one Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay. At 9 a.m. it's gonna forecast Swiss franc. So nothing. All right. What's on financial juice? I don't know. Yeah, Steve, I'm gambling again. I am gambling only on evaluation accounts, as usual. I'm not touching the funded accounts. No touching of the funded accounts. Just evaluation playground currently. What just happened with NQ, by the way, really? Absolutely no movement. Fate on trade. Yeah. I think we would all have made more money on if we would have faded the London session trades. Actually, I checked the journal, and the London session trades, usually the first ones, were actually the worst ones. And by New York session, it went a little bit better. Greg, hello, good morning. So just as it happened on Friday, started out very shitty, then it went much better. But I checked the journal, and really, the London trades, I mean, kind of confusing. Although I technically didn't take any trade on the funded account in London last week. Yeah. Like all the trades were taken in New York kill zone on the funded accounts. So trying to protect what we can. Ba-da-dum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum. Trying to protect. Greg, what's going on? Any good trades? Futures fanatic. The flatten button means to close everything, delete all your pending orders as well, and close your position. So basically pulls out every active open trade and pending orders from your chart. Deletes everything. That's how usually I close the trades. I mean, some traders are, if you're in a buy, some traders are actually just pushing the sell button to close down some trades, or vice versa. But the flatten button is the one to push when you want to delete everything with one click. And we have Naz. Good morning, Naz. Been sitting for a while, like 3 hours, considering fast track trading. It's awesome and all, but all still brand new. Yeah. Plan to get 50% off 3 rallies. Just need some crypto first. Yeah. Yeah, it's it could be popular. I think you can still get in for $300 for a 50K funded account, I think. Not sure. You're welcome, Futures Fanatic. It's a brand new firm, so not much to know about them. All I was reading on Trustpilot from several users that they wanted the users to write positive comments on them, but I don't know if that's true. They are brand new, so could be a model. I don't know. It's what they said at a few weeks ago on Twitter Spaces at MyFundedFutures. You can start off a prop from $3,000. So you can access the tech and the back office and the website and everything from $3,000. Oh, nice. Good to know. That is good. I'm gonna check it out. I heard about them. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thanks, Nez. Zoltan, good morning, jó reggelt. Zapok the midget. I came in the door. Hey there. Good morning. Well, waiting for the London Open. But I don't know what to expect. 3-year plan. Good morning. Good morning as well. How is everybody? How are you guys? Nem tudom. Nem tudom. Azért érteni kell a programozáshoz, meg a risk management, meg sok mindenhez. Én ismerek egy magyar srácot, akik csinálták, de aztán eladták a céget, mert túl nehéz volt. So yeah. Good morning, John MC. Good morning, good morning. Isham, good morning. So the problem is when you make a this is going to be fire top step, fast track trading, take profit trader, and MyFundedFutures is all what I want and need. Yeah. So basically, what I want to say is it's simple to establish a prop firm, but the problem comes in when you don't have marketing, you don't have volume, you don't have income basically from new deposits as traders purchasing your accounts, and all of a sudden you're going to have traders who are going to make it to the payout level, right? Because sooner or later there are going to be traders who are reaching the payout level, and you need to have some kind of a capital backup to pay out those traders. You have to manage risk and balance everything properly. And if you don't have enough marketing, or maybe there's a bad marketing online, which can rip apart any prop firm, then you're basically done. Nobody's gonna buy accounts from you. So it's also a very risky business to start a prop firm right now. To start a prop firm, you should have started like maybe 5, 6, 7 years ago at least. Hát én biztos én nem hiszem, hogy belemennék prop firm létrehozásába. Óriási marketing kell hozzá. Csapat, minden háttér. Egy ember nem tudja. Tehát ez jönnek majd az emberek, akik kifizetést kérnek. Sorry guys, just Hungarian fellow trader. I'm just trying to explain that it's not simple to start out a prop firm nowadays. So everyone wants to jump on the bandwagon to start their own prop firm. I get it. But it's like everybody wants to do a prop firm. And if you're not in the top 5, you're going to have money issues. Check out the site. Yeah, I checked out the Fast Track Trader site last week. Yeah. Nice. I'd say go with just the established one. Yeah. You know, everybody can try out new things. That's fine. How do you establish a prop firm? Surely you need to. You can make the company, which is simple. You know, form a company. You can buy the technology from a bigger player who has already have the know-how. They're going to provide you the software, the backend, the website. You know, everything is on the shelf, ready-made. All you have to just think is the logo and the name of the company. I mean, look at the prop firms with the higher perspective. Most of the prop firms has the same support agent desk. You know, everything is almost the same on all of these prop firms, because on the back end, I think they're buying the technology from the same provider, right? So yeah, we are spoiled. Best time ever for being a futures trade. Yeah. So it's not that difficult nowadays to start out. You can buy the technology, you can buy software license, access to data, blah blah blah, all that stuff. The problem is when you don't have enough clients who are purchasing new accounts and activation fees and such, you know. You need cash flow, of course. And if you're not doing well with marketing and you're not doing well with new people who are failing their accounts, then sooner or later, some of your clients are going to reach payouts. Yes, that time is going to come. There's going to be an outflow of cash. You have to pay those people out, because if you don't pay them out, then you're going to have a bad reputation, and social media is going to destroy your company in 2 days or less. Nobody is going to deposit money into your prop firm after that. So this is how fast things are going. And no, I would not start a prop firm right now. That's for sure. That's why FTMO, for example, is going to stay at the top, like Coca-Cola, right? Coca-Cola made this brand. It was technically one of the first ones, and it's like too big right now. Like FTMO is, for example, is making business with not just proprietary trading, but everything else, real estate, you know, equity funds, stuff like that. They're well established. They have cash flow. Small pump now. Yeah. Options, stocks, crypto trading, binary options. Yeah. I set up a franchise, for example, Apex, somewhere where the big players are restricted. Insure the business for 3 times and finally insurance fraud. That's a good business model. I like that. Oh, it could be a squeeze, I don't know, or it could be a fake out again. I'm not trusting this. I'm definitely not trusting this move. This one can also be like, it's squeezing everybody above 86, and then it's not gonna go for the 20k, not this session. Then it's gonna dump below 930, and we'll see what happens after that. By the way, rumor goes on that True Forex Funds, which is closed, as everybody knows it, True Forex Funds was well okay with cash flow. They had a lot of cash. They were making millions of dollars per month. But suddenly, their balance started to change. So more profitable traders came into the business, and they requested the payouts, which is normal, of course. And they started to realize that, however, as much as they were doing marketing, the deposits for purchasing new accounts were much lower after some times, but the payout started to increase. So they decided to rug pull. They didn't close the business because they did not have enough money to pay out traders. They saw that the equity curve is changing to a down spiral, and they decided to grab the money, those millions of dollars, and just shut down the company. And that's it. Pro Tools. No hurt, harm, or danger came before me. No, gracefully. Amen, I guess. Welcome. Let's see. What is gonna go here? If this one would trade above 86, you know what? I don't know. Maybe I should be taking partial at 86. I'm gonna put a partial TP here. There's a sell limit. Okay. And the final two will be up there. All right. This will be the plan. If we can get there. So they did not pay out those traders who decided. Yeah, exactly. I have videos on my mobile phone from the true Forex Fund CEOs driving around with Lamborghinis. So they just wanted to make sure that they're not going to lose all that cash in their company, so they decided to shut it down. That's it. I mean, millions and millions of dollars in the company, and you see a projection from your risk side, you know, that all right, it seems like that we have a lot of good traders who are making payouts, and we're not putting anybody to the live market. So and the income is decreasing because nobody is buying new challenge accounts. So it was easy to calculate that, all right, guys, this ship is sinking, so we should grab the few $1 million that has been left in the company and let's just shut it down while we can. And so they did. That's it. That's what happened. I think the only way might be to sell the trades of your profitable traders to a private equity firm that pays enough commission so in return that covers your payouts. Maybe that's a different thing, like managing risk. Yeah, shady business. Yeah, that would be very complicated. This game used to be we want live traders, Apex and others. Now we want. We all know the truth. Yeah. I mean, if someone, if they put you on a live account, I mean live market, that's actually good, because if you're a very good trader and you're trading on a live account, then you're not a risk anymore to the prop firm, which is good. That's why I think Forex prop firms should be putting traders to live account, but they can't because they don't have a license as a brokerage. They don't have the license to put people out directly to the market. Enter at 960, stops at break even. Nice, Pablo, come on. Yeah, start a new firm maybe. Yeah, that's, I mean, show me people that get real regular payouts from TopStep. You mean the live accounts? I mean, there are people who got payouts. I got payouts from TopStep too. From my trading accounts. When things get rough, simply deny payments. Exactly, Zabakia. When things go south, anybody can just deny it. Not, I mean, it's all about what are the intentions of the prop firm and how they're really doing business. Are they really here for the long run? That's why you always have to make sure that you diversify and go with the big ones. Maybe you have to decide your own risk. There you go. I'm talking amounts 5K plus. A friend of mine here in Hungary took, for example, he took 27,000 from FTMO in 1 month. Which month? In March. In March he took 27,000. He took $12,000 from MyFundedFutures. Not on a regular basis, of course, but at least he made it there. Apart from YouTubers, yeah. So he's not a YouTuber, just saying. He has a company he's working on full time, but he took payouts from MyFundedFutures. He took payouts from FTMO. But let me just say, he also spent a lot of money, on challenge accounts and evaluation accounts. So, like a really lot of money. Scar, hey there. FX and Trophy, good morning. Good morning. So, even if you see someone online bragging about payouts, like, oh, I took out $15,000 from this and this prop firm, that's awesome. Also ask how much you spent on challenge accounts or evaluations and activation fees. So, for example, MyFundedFutures wants to change their certificates, the payout certificates. So you XYZ got a payout of this and this amount and spent this and this amount on challenge accounts. Now that would be a difference. So if someone on YouTube is bragging about all the payouts, for example, Alpine, he was very honest. Alpine said he took out 250K and he spent like 25K. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's great. But I know a trader who took out 40K and he spent almost 40K on evaluations, and he lives here in Europe. Anyway, doesn't matter. Focus on trading. That's all that matters. How you doing, by the way, Scar? We were 20 pips from 20K. Yeah, just get over it already. Let's go. Matter of fact, 150K TOPSTEP X is all I need, even just one. Yeah, I agree. As soon as Alpine got cocky, the rug was pulled on him. Well, we don't know the details. We only knew rumors because they're not going to talk about the details. And it's not our thing, It's their thing. Their thing. I do believe that though Alpine definitely ignited a little bit of a spark at Apex to modify some of their rules. I do think so. So, who knows? All right. Partial has been taken. And it's at break even now. Four winning days already at 2.6k. Nice, RH. Come on, let's go. Let's go. App answer is simple. You have 10 accounts. If you earn 100 USD, trade and earn 100k dollar. I'm thinking about new 25 accounts. You should not hold positions for a long time. Yeah, I mean, that's a strategy. Absolutely, Ojef, absolutely. I think they might flip before 20k. Yeah, it can happen. That's why I took partials. I wanted to make sure that I'm not gonna get trolled that much. Although I think I should still sell one contract. How about that? Actually, I just did. I wanted to make back this loss from earlier. So whatever happens, I made back my loss. Take profit was taken, small portion left. Yeah, I just closed another portion just to make sure that my previous loss is being covered. So at this point, even if I lose this trade, I mean exit with a break even, I'm gonna be perfectly fine because I'll end up with a break even. I mean, a little bit profit. Well, the start was not good, Pablo. I had a loss earlier, so... But that was just a probe trade. Probe trade, I call these trades. Still working my ass to get there. Yeah. You're gonna get there, Scar. It ain't been easy. Lifetime fees is like someone's capital. I absolutely get it. And trust me, here as well, in my country, 150 bucks is still considered a lot. So if you buy food, if you consider to buy food on that money or to pay your bills and stuff like that, you know, it's still a considerable amount of money. So I feel the pressure, definitely. Should I get 4 more 150k top steps altogether? I have 5 and do smaller payouts. I don't know, RH. It depends on your risk-taking appetite. I don't know. Maybe you can. I don't know. $2k per week rather than, well, you know. So altogether I have 5. Do smaller payouts of 2k per week from each account rather than 5-6k from one account. I do think that it's more easier to manage smaller payouts, aim for those smaller payouts than building up like that bigger amount of capital, because you need the win. You need to take those payouts. You need money in your pockets, and that's going to ease up the stress. And when you take out 2k from one account and the other account you're building up is getting to that level as well. So I think it's a much better feeling. I would go with that if I were you, RH. Warm-up trade, yeah, Kim. No, it's all right, Pablo. It was just my It was just my usual morning trade on Monday. I follow all the rules and just don't want them to make excuses. Yeah, I get it. I get it, RH. Well, I still say it's a good thing to have more. So, Dakota took out 123k. Wow. I know he's killing it, but I didn't know how much it took out. Tell me the glory of the 150k. Oh, hey there. Are you trading the Apex 25k now with the past discount? No, I'm just trading the 50ks. I bought a few accounts with the discount codes, but I'm trading 50ks. I don't have 250ks currently. Because I deliberately, intentionally choose not to go for the 250k accounts. For my trading style, the 50k account is more than enough. But this is only me. I know many of you guys like to go bigger and make more profits, which is understandable. You can choose bigger accounts. For me, because I'm a turtle trader, the 50k account is absolutely fine. Exactly, RH. That's a good plan, Naz. Be the #1 at TopStep. You can do that. Actually, I'm no troll. If you believe you can do that, I would say go for it. I would say go for that. Why wouldn't you, right? Just do it. You know. It's up to you. If you can imagine you can do that and you just have to be disciplined, then you are definitely going to do it. Maybe not for the whole year, but definitely you can climb up to the ladder and show your name to the public that, hey guys, I'm #1. My biggest winning streak with TopStep was 16 winning days in a row. 16 winning days. Not all of them were $200 days though, but 16 winning days. That's my all-time record. Dakota welcomes the challenge. He already communicated for anyone to challenge. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's the strategy of Naz. He has the weaponry. He has everything. Such cute as me. And I think Naz was already firing up his stream like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. He was running a test run, doing a test run. So I hope he will stream as well, because I'll be checking that out, those trades. Oh yeah, YouTubers can make that an affiliate. Like Patrick Wieland, he buys the Lambo, you know. I mean, not everybody can make that kind of money, of course. And I think Patrick is going to be an exception, because he started early. So he was starting streaming prop firms years ago, when nobody was streaming prop firms, basically. So that's why nobody is going to get into his footsteps. Everybody's now streaming prop firms like I am, and many other YouTubers. But I highly doubt that anyone can reach those levels in the near future like Patrick Wieland with affiliates. But at least he's honest. Of course, Ayub. In his recent video, he also said it. He doesn't care about that. He He's making he said it clearly. Guys, he said, I'm making the majority of my money from affiliates, so not from trading. But who cares, right? He's an entertainer. That's his job. So nobody cares. Tom, what do you see on the screen? Any updates? No updates yet. I'm waiting for the 20K to be taken. This is the 5-minute chart that you guys are seeing on Nasdaq. No fair value gaps, no nothing. We just made a new all-time high currently. The only thing we're left with is the 20K level on the new contract. So no levels. The only level would be down at 930 to sweep the Asia lows. Maybe it's going to turn around before reaching the 20K. At this point, we're at no man's land. Just waiting for market to show its way. Ripsy is on his heels. Current high on Top Step for live trader is 250K. That was from Dakota. Wow, nice. Yeah, there are some exceptionally good traders like him. 234K payout from one live account. And that is something I'm talking about. I mean, the best traders should be trading on live accounts, right? So absolutely. Everything changed when he sold the course. Yeah. One trading course seller said that they made 30 million in 1 year selling a course. Oh yeah, yeah. That's something I believe truly. Like, he made a ton of money with his course. I mean, as long as he provides value, some kind of value, which helps traders to make money, I guess it's a win-win situation, right? But really, that is what I think. If he really provides value, or anyone, not just Patrick Whelan, if anyone provides you with a value that is going to help you to become better in trading. I mean, no holy grail, because that's not exist, but something that you can pick from an online course, whatever, to make you a little bit better. That's a win-win situation, right? I took online courses, I took mentorships too, that I paid for. So, and I do have my notes. Oh yeah, someone from Apex took $1 million. I think that trader from Apex taking $1 million, I don't think he wants to make a YouTube channel. So imagine if you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars from trading. Do you really want to make a YouTube channel? I don't think so. Maybe, but I don't think. If I would be making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month from trading, I highly doubt that I would be here on YouTube. I would be somewhere in the background. I would not even checking social media all that much. I would be just trading. The best of the best are not even coming forward, guys. You know, just let that sink in. The best of the best traders, no matter which prop firm are we talking about, the best of the best traders are not on social media, are not there. Why would they? They just want to live a peaceful life without, you know, interference and everything. They don't need to make extra money from social media. They just focus on their craft, and that's it. 20 million, wow. It's possible to say, Brian, not for sure. Oh, go 20K, let's go. Let's see if it goes up there. Maybe what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop here just to secure some of it. Let's see if it pops through. Well, all we know is that Apex Trader, for example, has to file a report to IRS. And I know some people who actually, I mean, you can access some of those reports now. as their income and expenditures wise, the IRS has to take those reports. They have to file it, so they can't deceive the public if they write it out to their website. But I know people who has their, I mean, not in detail, but if you report your expenses like payouts to IRS, then most likely majority has to be true of that. That could be Brian, right? You're getting his camera this week. Okay. Nice. So Nas is starting out. Oh yeah, Nas is Brian Morales. So we're gonna be checking out Nas on stream at the latest next Monday. I'm actually gonna take notes about this trading system that you're using. I just want to see how you execute the trades and what is the valid entries and such. That's why I said I'm going to collect the information. Look at this, pulling back. It's gonna tilt off the reverse already. Yeah. Anyway, I secured a little bit of profit there as well. So worst case scenario, it is what it is. It might even going to dump all the way down to the 930s from here. So let's see. Wasted a whole year on TradeAway, on TradingView. Terrible data. Yeah. Definitely on TradingView is definitely not a good thing to do scalping. There's always going to be a lag. Just keep in mind. I know a lot of you guys like to trade on TradingView, which is good. I know, but if you're scalping, you're gonna get surprised because there's a lag. Greg is short from 94.50. Oh wow. 94.50 from the top. Jesus. All right. 10 points in profit. Nice. Learn the lag the hard way. Oh yeah, there you go. Zoltan knows it. So there is definitely a lag between TradingView and TradeAway. Sometimes it's a lot. Sometimes it's just a few milliseconds, but sometimes it's like 2 whole seconds or maybe 3. Especially when there is a lot of volume in the market. So careful about it. Careful, careful. I think it's gonna take me out finally. It's gonna take me out. It's quite fast with integrated TradingView. Setting, you set your update speed. Okay, so that's something good. Oh, look at that. I'm still in the trade. I don't know how. But I'm still in this trade. Still in this. Not for long, I think. Yeah, there you go. So this one is, or might be, taking a dump from here. Let's see what happens. Almost made it to 20K. This one could have been a fake out, so I'm curious how this candle is going to close. Is it going to have a displacement lower or not? Maybe they're gonna leave the 20K for New York. Who knows? Nice. Nice, Naz. Yeah, it's a little bit frustrating. I was expecting to hit the 20K. But you know. Way to trap bulls. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, exactly. Let's not let it get to 20K. I mean, let's check the 15-minute, all right? Just for a brief moment. So this is the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart actually made a market structure shift here. And also here as well. So 2 times made a market structure shift. This one as well, but this is not such a strong one. And it means, like, we have the 50% retracement level down there at 965. And below that, we have a very small, tiny fair value gap. Just around optimal trade entry on the 15-minute chart. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to be the area that is going to go from. But let's just mark this. Look at that. Oh, sorry, pushed the wrong button there. But anyway, you guys get a cheer on my soundboard. / OTE. So 15-minute fair value gap / OTE. So there. Can we go down into that point? I think we can. That's an interesting point. Jason Floyd, yes. There you go, Naz. You just have to repeat the process and you're gonna get the feel. Well, not necessarily. I mean, still on Friday, so this is the Friday report from CME, and still more volume on Friday on the old contract, on the June contract, but I decided to you know, change to the September contract, because today or tomorrow is definitely September contract is going to roll over the majority of the volume. So I thought I'm going to change it, and we're very close to 20K. So I think everybody is eyeballing that level. We'll see. Oh yeah, you get an alert, Nez. Nice. Yeah, I mean, yeah. That's a good idea. Good idea, Nez. Alright, let's wait. And by the way, guys, if you can, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're getting above 2400 in a few weeks. Really, thank you so much for the support. And pushing the like is free, and it's pushing the channel. Thank you. Thank you. All right. While we are waiting for an entry. Also, if you would like to support the channel, I don't have a custom code from Apex yet, although I emailed them like 4 times. But there's my code, 71% off, $35 for resets. Buleanox still has the cheapest upfront cost, 83% down. And MyFundedFutures 20% off from the expert account, including activation fee. TOPSTEP 20% off if you register for a new account. And the rest of them, Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, 40% off. That was the commercial. 15-minute SMI crossover alert on TradingView. Don't sleep on it. All right. I'll check on that, Nez. Maverick, hello. Good to see you. How you doing this morning? How are you doing? By the way, I haven't checked on ES, because look at ES. Took out previous day high, and, you know, just saying that it actually made a beautiful structure shift here. 5506. So, hold on. Yeah, it can go down. 5506.50. I might put a limit order there. 5506.50. Why is it not putting it there? All right, now it's there. 5506.50. I'm gonna put an alert as well. Alert has been added. Okay. NQ repricing a little bit higher. Gamecraft, how many payouts this year so far? Only one. Only one payout. Gamecraft, only one, unfortunately. But I'm building up these funded accounts with very small steps. Since I've blown all my accounts in March, I've blown 2 more, at least, 3 more since then. So I'm left with 5. Actually 4. But, yeah. Trying to reach that level. Look at this, it has been retracing, but no. You won't check on it because it's okay. All right, Nez. I'm gonna check on it. I told you, but there's so many things to do. I know. Let's go, everybody. Rock your body. No, I'm not gonna sing Backstreet Boys. Oh, look at that. I mean, I thought that ES is gonna go for the 50% level. It's not going for it. Yes, queen. Period. All right, Naz. Let's effing go. John Hammer, someone is spoofing on NQ, has 150 lot. Oh, really? I think we saw those. Who was the one? I think Kim saw those. Kim Holmer saw those contracts at first during the pre-London session. So those contracts are appearing at 20K-ish area. Pretty interesting. Wow, look at that. This one goes lower. Not my cup of tea on the 3-minute here. Wasn't a strong displacement, so I'm not touching it. And I might even... Yeah, I'm deleting my limit order. And I'm deleting the alert from ES. This one could be the liquidity sweep to the final run, but still have to wait. I mean, the 506.50 level is still in play here with this leg down on ES. I'm just waiting for the market to decide what to do. The silver bullet hour is ending in 7 minutes. Of course, that doesn't mean that there's not going to be any action, but I know that the market is pretty much looking at the 20K level right now. Although we have some good targets on ES as well to the downside. Yeah, relative equal lows down there. So random. Late entry, big stops, big target profits. Your entry should have been that topping tail of 5-minute close. Yeah, that's the beauty of it, Naz. Like, everybody trades differently. That's the beauty of the whole trading profession. Everybody has different entries, different stops, different strategies. I like to hold trades, you know. I like to keep it, you know, calm and steady, you know. That's why it is a good thing. I'm not in this short. Definitely, I'm not in this short. No, I'm flat. I have no orders, nothing. I deleted my limit orders as well. I'm just waiting. I'm not in any short. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying, Naz, like, everybody has a different approach. So that's why I'm not trading your style, and that's why you're not trading my style, and everybody else has a different aspect to approach this. So how far are we? Actually 20 points away from 20K. Less than 20 points. Should be running the highs, I think. So if it shifts higher, then we might be seeing some highs being run out. I'm just gonna wait for it. Thank you, Zoltan, for being here. Hope to see you later. Have a good one. You're welcome, Tom. Tom? Jesus Christ. I can't speak. I'm sleepy. You're welcome, Zoltan. That's what I meant to say. I was reading Tom that you wrote Tom. I slept like 2.5 hours yesterday because I just couldn't sleep. I don't know why. Friday I went to sleep. I was sleeping like 11 hours. 11 hours. That's how tired I was. On Saturday I had a good sleep as well. But yesterday, I don't know. I went to bed around, which was today. I went to bed around 1 a.m. and I was awake around 3:30, 3:45, and I couldn't sleep back. So I was just, you know, laying in the bed with open eyes, and I was like, what the hell? I can't sleep. So then I got out of bed a little bit after 4 a.m. and here I am. Didn't sleep. Almost nothing. So coffee is a solution, but only temporarily. Coffee is only a temporary solution. ES is going up. NQ is going sideways. Don't know what's happening. Might be going higher. Let's see. ES stopped. All we do is just wait. Look at this. Got rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 5 times including this candle. This one will be a tricky one. JX, hey, good morning. How you doing on this fine, beautiful morning? Having better luck than you with London? Well, I had a bad trade, and fortunately, I managed to bring it back. I was lucky. I mean, my trade was based on my entry model, so I just played it out. So what happened with you, JX? I hope it wasn't all that serious. I know trade US now. London has always kicked my ass. Yeah, recently in the past few weeks, it's kicking me as well. Pretty hard, JX. It's definitely hard. Dealing with other stuff. Well, as I said, I'm still waiting to. I'm not in a trade. I was just hoping that we will take out the 20k. I had 2 trades before, one a loss, one a winner. So back to above break even a little bit in profit, but still hoping to take out the 20k. But might going to miss it. This is just going to be a quick scalp if I even enter, just to make that move up there. But this one can also be like an SMT, right? So NQ spikes higher to 20k and ES goes to optimal trade entry and then goes down. Friday was a bloodbath. Yeah. We were up, decided I was bored. Oh, and reopened the charts. Yeah, don't do that. That is something you have to avoid. That is something you definitely need to avoid, man. It's not healthy. I know. I know how it is. If you have a good day and you're especially, you know, finishing with the New York AM session, just, you know, turn everything off. Better not to give it back to the market. Even if you see some good price action, why risk it? You know, why give it back to the market? You don't need to. You definitely don't need to do that. Erkan, good morning. I can't believe we are trading at, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy that we are here. 10 points away from historical highs. Whole number 20K. Unbelievable. The markets are unstoppable. I guess Nvidia, Microsoft, and, you know, all these tech companies are pretty much pulling it. It's all because of AI, I guess. I don't know. I was reading another article over the weekend. They said that AI technologies, the companies which are, you know, upgrading these AI technologies, including Nvidia as well. So they are the ones that pulling the market so high, careless about other parts of the economy. Everything is driven by AI expectations and speculations. So very interesting. A couple of years later, hold my beer. All right, JX. Every time I reach my daily target and do not stop and say one more trade. Oh yeah. I gave all the profits back. Exactly, Arkan. That's what happens to many of us. Unfortunately, that's the thing. It's like calling you, like, just one more entry, one more trade, you know, just one more. Just do one more trade. Now it will be all right. Now you're gonna make it. This is gonna be your day. A lot of companies are downsizing based on AI expectations. Oh yes. Now another week to rebuild. Yeah. I was 1 day away from withdrawing. Oh, 1 day away. Well, I'm sure you're gonna get there real soon. Look at this. ES is going down while NQ is trying to reach higher, decoupled for a little bit. That's strange, but it's, of course, it's because of the 20K level. So I would be very, very cautious going short here on NQ. I would be very cautious. Look at that. Trying to push it again. Are we gonna make history here or what? It seems like we could. Up to, oh my god, less than 10 points away from making history, guys. Anybody gonna jump into this? You know, who cares about entry models? Just jump into a long. F it, you know. F it. Just take the long, who cares? Come on. 8 points. It should be taking it. I'm still looking at ES, by the way. 506.25. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. We're gonna go for it. We are gonna go for it. And there you go, 20K. We just made history, guys. Write this in the books, because we just made history. I took a short on ES, by the way. So so finally 20K has been taken. What's gonna go next? We have been waiting for this since, I think many traders were waiting for this since the whole last week. TOPSTEP stop you out on your 50K. Oh wow. And go to my profiter instead of, oh, that sucks. You had 900 loss. Next is 2021. Could be. I took a small short on ES, also because of the SMT divergence, and because on the 5-minute I saw a classic entry model playing out at optimal trade entry, but I think I might just gonna lose this one. On the ES, let me show you. Yeah, this is not it. I took it on Apex. MES, the new contract. There. So I took this trade. I'm risking about 90 bucks or 95, but hoping for that SMT thingy to play out, but it seems like it's not gonna. At least it's around optimal trade entry. Rarely took a trade on ES. Oh, thank you, Arkan. Thank you. I was long last Friday, but it still did me sideways. Oh. So I would like to see those levels down there on the ES, but who knows how far this will go. Short NAS at 25, let's see. 0025, let's see, yeah. I took the short on the ES, but it's a little bit risky. I want to see this one target down to that fair value gap, but if this keeps going higher with Nasdaq, then obviously I'll be looking for something else. But the entry itself, it was valid, and it's still valid. Changing direction, SMT divergence, you know. But if it keeps going higher, then so be it. I have to only buy the 150K account from now on. 50K with 1K daily loss. Yeah, so you have more freedom, Erkan, that's for sure. More freedom. Yeah, you need more room to trade. I understand that. Oh, darn it. My trade is gonna go into drawdown. Already in drawdown. Hold on, let me check. on ES on the daily time frame. Yeah, it could be still taking out the all-time high. Well, not much to do. We're stuck here for now, but I think we can still go higher. Yeah, 2020s up there to the 2050s. I mean, 20,020. When do you think they announce new innovations in Apex? Well, they said something about this month, but I'm not sure. But in my opinion, they should do some upgrades this month, because that would be very useful for the community. Prasad, hey there, good to see you. Doing great, doing okay. We just made history on Nasdaq, so popped higher here. How are you doing, Prasad? Good to see you. Hope you have some good trades, good profits. Raf, I don't know if we got rolled over automatically or not. I manually changed it to the new contract because I think today the volume might be slipping over the majority to the new contract. So I don't think we rolled over. I manually changed it to the September contract. So on the report from Friday, so yeah, this is a Friday report. It still says that on Friday close, the majority of the volume was still on the June contract. But I think this number today is significantly going to change because of Monday. So I think everybody's rolling over, like manually as well, to the September contract. Oh, look at that. It's going unstoppable. Also ES. I'm going to get taken out from this position. Maybe I should close it while I can. With a small loss. No, I'm just going to leave it. I'm afraid I am yet to make any. Yeah, I mean, this market this morning is just absolutely nonsense. It was crazy. Taco Tuesday. I heard Apex was denying payouts. Yeah, I mean, not for everyone. Not for everyone, Taco Tuesday. There has been payouts since then. Here as well in the chat, we have some people saying that they got their payouts. I know also people in person who got paid out. So most likely the ones who were gambling or DCAing got denied. But what can we do, right? Let's go 21. Let's go Spigel. Let's see, because frustrating. Yeah, I hope that they solve those issues, because that would be game changing. Just follow the rules, and by the way, that's it. JX said it right. If you follow your trading rules, you have a steady equity curve, not doing anything crazy on your account, and you're gonna get paid out, and that's it, basically. Just follow your strategy. Yeah, by the way, true, JX, you can still get it if you trade okay the next period. Exactly. So you might get denied, but then you can continue to trade. Anyway. Look at this. ES is just popping higher. Gonna take me out. The small portion I left on NQ long is paying off. Nice. Very good. Unfortunately, I just gave back my profits to the market and I'm gonna be in drawdown soon. Not much I can do with this. You can even trade news if you trade like you always. Yeah, exactly. There were some words about that too. You can leave the trade open for the news. For example, if you have a proper stop loss, your position size is properly opened up, and you're sitting in a position by the news, it's fine. If they see that you otherwise do a consistent job on your account, so that should be no issue again. Exactly, Erkan. That's what I'm always saying. Just ask yourself, would you do the same kind of trading with your own money on your live account? The answer would probably be, if the answer is no, then you probably should not take the trade, or should not trade the way you do on your prop account. Look at this. Probably gonna make some new highs, both on ES as well. I'm still in this trade, but I'm in a drawdown. I'm not sure if it's gonna go back down again, but you know, let's wait and see. Can still turn around, but I don't have high hopes for that. Still gonna check on Nasdaq closely of what it does. To place the targets, using dollar targets, I take and let the rest run. That's a good strategy, Pablo. That's actually good. Yeah, I mean, you can play around with taking partials. You can make some calculations which targets fits you better to your trading style. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So I think I was a little bit lucky here on this ES trade. Still not over yet, but I have not been taken out yet with the stop. But let's see how it goes. London strikes again. I know it yet. I still choose to ride the train to doom. Come on, JX. You shouldn't be on that hard on yourself. It was a 200 method bounce. The top step rule of 200 for 5 days. Oh, I get it. I get it. Same here. Added a couple of nights at 10-12 area. Okay. Regarding your video yesterday, it's the 150k top step account. not better than the MFF 150k expert. Well, you know, the 150k top step, including the activation fee, is technically, I would say, better. But, you know, talk about the restrictions, you know, that you might have with TopStep. I love TopStep, by the way. I think they're great. But you have a daily loss limit, and you have to focus on the 200 plus days, you know. That could be maybe putting you into a little extra pressure. But still, I think, I mean, money-wise, with the upfront cost and activation fee, it's good. I would say it's all right. I mean, even how much is the MFF 150k? So $375 on the for the account. 300 at MyFundedFutures. 375. With the discount code, you can get the expert account, the biggest expert account, for $300 from MyFundedFutures, which is exactly the same amount that you can get it, including the activation fee from TopStep. The only thing you have to decide is, do you have the skill set in you to pass the account in 30 days? Because if not, that's fine too, but you're gonna get rebuild once more with $300. So that's what you have to decide. On the 50k account, even if you get rebuild for the second month, you know, you can compare it to, for example, a Forex prop firm, or I don't know. Anyway, I think it's still a good deal. But TopStep is great too. I never said TopStep is bad, but you know, there are a few more things that you have to consider. I have 5 accounts passed with TopStep. I haven't paid yet the activation fee, as I don't know if it's worth the hassle. Well, you just keep in mind you have 30 days, calendar days to pass it or not. So you have or you don't have to activate all of them if you don't want to, but at least maybe 1 or 2 just to see. Yeah, 1 month, JX. 1 month, exactly. You have 1 month to activate. TopStep is objectively easier. Yeah, I mean, especially if you have cheaper upfront cost fee, that's definitely easing the pressure. That's true. All right, let's see how this ES trade is going to play out. What is going on here? TopStep is the most trustworthy. They are the oldest one too. Yeah, definitely. You have TopStep TV. The CEO is everyday live. Yeah, that's actually a very good thing. They are putting themselves out there, so that's absolutely a huge green flag for them. So I like TopStep. I got my payout. Definitely all my payouts came from TopStep. I mean, with trading. So I love them. I have 350k with Apex and 50k TopStep now. Press it. Yeah, sure. If you buy some TopStep accounts, if you would like to support the channel, please use my link. Click on my link before you purchase a TopStep account, and that gives a little bit of credit to me. Thank you so much. For you, it's basically nothing. Just use my link before you purchase a TopStep account. Thank you so much. That was the commercial. All right, how are we doing? Jess, hey there. Yeah, doing okay. I'm in this risky ES trade, so it was playing a little bit of a mind trick on me. I'm still in it, but we just made history with Nasdaq, so I don't know if ES is gonna go down furthermore or it's gonna follow to make a new high again. Don't know. NQ and NQ are different. Micro and mini could be different, so there are some differences. Sometimes even a few, not just a few ticks, but even a few points sometimes. So always note that. Plan is 5 TopStep with Quant Tower and copy trading. Very good plan, JX. Very good. That's a good plan. That is a good plan. All you need is, go for the small steps, take that $2,000 from the account every time. You should be perfectly fine. So where is this gonna go? Yeah, good catch on the S&P, but it's still risky. I mean, almost got out from this trade. Actually, I'm thinking to take partials here. All right, I sold 4 contracts. All right. Modifying it to 2. These are micros, so don't worry, everyone. I had to realize some profit here, and I'm gonna put it down to. All right, it's at break even. There you go. Okay, it was fine. So this was a good one. Nice catch on S&P. The trade was actually, I mean, this is the reason why I entered on the S&P right now. Optimal trade entry was here, and we had a bearish SMT, which I don't really like to trade. I told you guys. NQ made a new high, historical high at 20K, and ES almost made it higher. My stop was up here, almost took me out, so it was a close one. So what I did is I waited for the optimal trade entry at 56.50-ish, I think. It wasn't really perfect because it should have been at 56.75, but anyway, I waited for it. I was a little bit sweating here. I mean, not really, because I determined my risk, but it was going against me. I thought, all right, this is over, but I was holding it. And what I think still is that we can visit this 5-minute fair value gap down there at 500.50. It's a nice round number down there. Could be spiking down into it. So optimal trade entry, 1 to 2 risk to reward. Of course, I got cold feet, took a little bit of a partial here just before the target, but still, it wasn't a bad trade, I think. It was a good one. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, look at the Nasdaq. 5 minutes, shifting lower. 5 minutes shifting lower. So let's see. How's the payout rule? It's very simple. I mean, you can pass the evaluation account in 1 day. So 1 day pass on both the starter and expert account too. 1 day pass if you want to go for it. The payout is super simple, bi-weekly payouts, and you can, on the expert account, there is no withdrawal cap. You can take out everything above the threshold, and you can also withdraw 60% of the safety threshold if you want to. That's it. Pips Hunter, that's how simple. On the starter account, there is a withdrawal cap. It's not that, I mean, it's not that super dramatic to go by. I think it's on 50K, it's $2,000 or $3,000 per withdrawal. I think it's 2K maybe. I don't know. Don't even care, because as soon as I reach $1,000 in profit, I ask for a withdrawal. At least I would, but I'm still building the account. So, wow, look at this, still going down. All right, ES is going through this 5-minute gap too. This one was a good trade. On sell from 20, nice. Good job there. Very, very good job. I'm very happy about this ES trade. I'm actually super happy about this, because although it was a little bit tough here, but still the model played out and we got down to the original target. So I'm super happy about this ES trade. Also, we just have a shift on Nasdaq. Just saying. Optimal trade entry up there at 993, 92. J-ho! How you doing? Well, it was good. I had 1 loss and 2 winners. So, unfortunately, my first trade got to a loss, but the other 2 was a nice win. So I'm happy about that. I'm actually happy. How you doing, J-ho? Hope you had some good weekend. And thanks for texting your setups in Discord. I was so busy. I wanted to reply, and I want to do some updates in the Discord. So thanks for the posts. I checked them out. Really good levels there. And I don't know why, but I'm actually super tired. But don't worry, I'm gonna be here for the session in New York as well. Yeah, me and my girl took a flight out to Turks. Oh, nice. Oh, that's awesome, J-ho. Awesome. Enjoy your stay. That is super cool. Awesome. That is awesome. Look at this. This candle is shifted low. Now what can we see on the 15-minute? Even the 15-minute could be shifting here. So it's gonna close in 6 minutes and 10 seconds. I would say we can even go for the sell side down there at 9:30. This could be a beautiful trade setup. How about that, guys? Should we wait for it? This 5-minute candle is closing in about 50 seconds. Let me measure the risk here. Some good target down there. All right. Can be good. Gonna be waiting. ES is faster right now. Wants to make those lows. Let's see if NQ tries to go back into this area. I'm gonna show you exactly where. Here is the place that I'm looking for. Still going lower. All right. Oh wow, look at that. NQ dropping like a rock. Now I would be reconsidering to enter here or not, because the optimal trade entry just got lower into that gap. If we're gonna take out, for example, let me see. If we're gonna take out the 51, the 951, I might not be interested in going lower. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. I mean, this one can close here, but still have to wait for the next 15-minute chart to close. So the next setup on the 15-minute could be at least half hour from now, minimum. Don't know if I want to enter on that one. Long 62.50. All right, Greg, come on, let's go. ES swept the lows. All right. If I would be considering to enter, I still want this to go back to 988-ish. We'll see, yeah. I think that's, I mean, if this could have a retracement, then you're good on that level. You should be fine at least until the 80s, 85, 87s. Nice catch from 20, yeah. Who was it, 20? Anyway. Oh, the 20K, sorry, yeah. 20K break even, 19K TP for me. 19K, going back for 19. Could be. Let's wait for it. I don't know if this one is going to retrace all that high. Could be, but I don't know. I just don't know. if we go back, not counting on it. 951 and up. No longs for me, but I'm waiting for short around 90, 95. Yeah, I'm not taking a long, but if we would see like not a slow but a steep retracement back up there to the 90s, maybe 88, 87, that would be a place I would consider to go long, maybe. Oh, long, come on, short, to go short, sorry. So that would be my plan. I'm still going to wait. Maybe I should keep on track how much trades did we take on the stream and post it out, right? I know some streamers are doing it. What do you think, guys? Should I make a very small sheet on the screen that how many trades have been taken on stream, how many winners and losses? Maybe that can help us boost the viewers. Who knows? Boost up the viewers. Because I don't have a Lambo and a McLaren in the background, but I can put it to the background. MBK Forex, hey there. So that would be a good idea, right? All right. For the next stream, I'll try to figure out something like a small box or something. I'll put it somewhere on the screen, and it will be just saying like the month and how many winners, losses. That's it. Monthly, yes, good idea. MBK, good idea. That's yeah, I'm gonna put it out monthly. So it's gonna say like June trades, and the other box is gonna say WL break evens. I don't know. I'm gonna say yeah. Let's have break evens too, but you know. Maybe there should be an average risk to reward number, like average RR. There would be a number like 1.6 or 1.8 or 2.0, something like that. And that way we could all could be measuring how are we doing on the streams, right? And that would also say the stream results. That could also make me a little bit more disciplined as well, even on the evaluation account. So could not be a bad idea. I have no Lambo Aracan. I will not follow you. I have a very good Mazda. I have a good Mazda. It's 20 years old. It's a good car. I can put it in the background or something. It takes me places where I want to go. But it's still good. All right, I figure out something. All right, guys, something that we can, and maybe I'm gonna put a link down there in the description for a Excel sheet or something that anyone can check out how we were doing in the past. I mean, I had this going on last year. So last year when I was trading Forex, we had this. I had a table, a box, sorry, a sheet on the stream, and we had an Excel, a Google Excel for these trades. Create a course and viewers will come. Yeah, like Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what this one wants to do. What is ES doing? ES took out the lows. London kill zone is starting to be over soon. By the way, guys, today I'm going to be a little bit late on the New York session, so I'll be only here at the. I'm not starting at 8:15 as usually on the New York session, so I'll be here at 9:20-ish, 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, just before the stock exchange open. I have some stuff to do, but I'll be here in New York session. If anyone you guys would like to tune in, I would be super glad. So I'll be a little bit late. Actually not late, but most likely I would not be taking position anyway before the market open. It's gonna go sideways anyway. Alpine bought 170k Porsche, nice, but before Apex change rules. No, Alpine is cool. He's honest, but yeah, and good for him. There you go. Yeah, he's cool. I mean that was a strategy, and still he does good. So I wish him all the good and the best. 463 challenges, 0 payouts. Is that UJX? I mean, no. Okay. Is that Alpine? Social media gurus. All right. Social media gurus. Yeah. Look at this. Flex trades. Oh. Patrick Wieland. Well, you know, Patrick Wieland is different. Patrick Wieland is an entertainer. He's putting on a real good show. I like that. I like the show. I like the Patrick Wieland show. The 15-minute shifted here, so I'm going to wait for. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Out! Oh, Greg, nice. You got out. All right. It's Patrick Wieland, but he puts on a show. And he's honest too. I mean, he never denied that he makes the living from affiliates, so. So why not, right? Daily target hit on 1 hour 50 minutes. Nice. Congratulations, Greg. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Congratulations on the target. Good job. And I'm just waiting. Considering to maybe enter a short on this Nasdaq, but if we continue to edge higher this way, then I might be putting in a sell limit at 88, maybe. Yeah, 88 would be fine. I want to get in a little bit higher. If we go to 88, I might be doing. Who won the competition that was running last week? Which competition, ref? Oh yeah, the 50k evaluation. There was a guy named Kirk from US. We're gonna have a new one. We're gonna have a new one. Oh, it's a good thing that you're saying. I'm gonna put it on for the New York session. I'm gonna refresh the application so you guys can apply for a new giveaway, and we're gonna do it again. Look at this, is going down. What is happening here? I thought that the move is going to be done, the 20K level is going to be reached in New York, but now, I mean, I don't know. No, not really. I mean, I'm not really measuring the stats of the silver bullet as a thing like a silver bullet. But I don't really check on the on that specific hour, like, all right guys, this is the silver bullet. So I'm not eagerly searching for my entry in that 1 hour. I guess you can find entries, of course, if you go down to 1 minute, 30 second, 15 second chart. I don't know. Some traders could be making good money with it. Maybe. For me, it didn't go through. I'm not really successful concentrating on the silver bullet hour, especially not going, especially if I want to go down to 15 second, 30 second chart. It usually always end up bad for me. So I stopped focusing on the silver bullet, but I acknowledge it. I know high volume can be kicking in some nice trades, but it's not working out for me lately. So it was doing good, then I start looking, yeah. So that's what happened with me as well. I thought like, all right, some trades were nice, but you can find very good trades outside of the silver bullet too. Anyway, yeah, and as the 150 500 tick chart, yeah, especially if there is no volume, the tick charts can come in handy. That's true, Ness. Mary, good morning. Good to see you. How was your weekend? Okay, that's all I need. All right, JX. Trying to figure out what NQ wants to do here. And just check the 15-minute as well. Let me disable all this. So look at the 15-minute. Made a new high. Shifted lower, structure shift. We still have a fair value gap. Now this 15-minute candle is going to close in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. If we are going to leave a gap here, we have some good possible targets down there. What if this is the beginning of a market maker sell model? If we just anticipate that. What are your thoughts about that, guys and gals? Spy Girl is saying we're gonna reach 20,080 in New York. That's true. There's a high possibility that this one is going to hold the 20K. I think I was waiting for some kind of a huge drop, which still not happened. So it's a question. It's a huge question. Festival of Traders came out with a really nice introduction video to futures. Oh, nice. With Heiken-Ashi candles. Nice, nice, nice. I guess the Heiken-Ashi candles are coming back to, you know, to be acknowledged in trading. I listened to it the past weekend. Oh, it was a watch. Okay. What the heck does this one doing right now? Okay, the 15-minute is almost closing. We're going to have a fair value gap here on the 15-minute chart, including an optimal trade entry at 88 for me. So, this is going to be interesting. Anyway, push the like button and subscribe, everyone. Let's push it to the limits. It's free to do, and we're getting closer to 2,400 subscribers. Come on, gang. Sub to the channel. Let's dominate here in London. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Also, we have some good sales going on. Consider them if you would like to support the stream. Please use any of my links and codes. Thank you so much. It helps me being here full time. Thank you, guys. That was the commercial. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. All right, so 15-minute candle closed. Optimal trade entry is up there. I could just be putting a limit entry at 88. That could be possible. That could be possible, I guess. Oh, he's an OG. All right. Nice. He makes a living from Heikenäshi. Nice, nice. That's the proof right there. Almost 2 decades now. Well, he's an OG then. He is definitely. Oh my god, the funded trader is still in business. Who is giving them money still? They're still, their website is still on. Jesus Christ. I wouldn't even touch them with a stick. Now they are still scamming, that's for sure. He likes the 512 tick chart. Oh. Only trades the first hour and a half of the New York session. Nice. Well, that would be the goal for everyone, I guess. Trade to open, 15 minutes, get ready, done with the day, and just move on, right? That would be the way to do it. Anyway. Alright, gang, I think I'm gonna cut it here. I'll be back in the New York session. I don't want to wait for this trade right now. We had some good ones. 1 loss, 2 winners. That was a good one for the session. I'm very happy. Guys, I'll be a little bit late. I'll be back right before the stock exchange open, hopefully. So not around 8:15. Most likely around 9:15 or 9:20-ish. So I'll be back. By the way, there's a short coming up on the 15-minute. Good luck with that. I'm not going to take it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and push the like button and support if you can with one of these codes if you would like to trade futures. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be coming back at the New York Open. All right. See you, everyone. Thanks for being here. Merry weekend was great. Neville doesn't have time to do much. I had a wonderful weekend too. And happy, yeah, it was Father's Day. Mary, hope to see you soon. All right. And I'm happy that you had a good weekend. All right, guys and gals. Thank you again. See you soon, everybody. Cheers.